bitch. You are so bitch.
But it didn't.
Without girlfriend, that you
Chino Jonas.
You go big some fucking
Chino Jonas.
Chino Jonas or that to know. Who are you?
Or say America be very free.
Some show face here. Match short because some can match up. I'm coming to YouTube and talk to your motherfucker bitch. And the New York City na because some more. The Moka says you're gonna hear with you. I'm can do because some. If you are a man, 4 number 4 to board, then you show New York City. Say you papa is a strong guy, a very stronger. Just put your fucking number on the other two. Pay for that show now, but who might be crying on to me be your play. Who are you? Who are you, that boy? Who are you? Well, like I say,
Chino Jonas. Oh no, look at.
Who might be try? Who might be trusting me? We are Pasiapa. No, we didn't pay for them. Said Chua. You made me do no. Who was shocked? So when you small boy, what Baba Damaka. When your baby Kasaba Fuka than the channel, or show it took a rough over the channel for pay for. When did Jimmy? Some Mamma Jimmy Krawaka, some your Mamma Kran Waka. I can't go DSK, what's so it's called happening in London, Waka. Bitch. Fuck on.
Chino Jonas, hey, catch on. Hey, Uda only Mama for Minu or Auburn and New York home. Or my big trust short video by net. Baby video for Ejuma pa the youth no. Unhe Ejuma. Na why I live part of Niajo. Hey, my brothers and sisters. More than to boss, me see a bit. I say some video before Ejuma pa. Never bet say city workers no man. Enya ball and crown, ebe chewa de omoye. Itane kufado. Ghana for a bo baby 5 o'clock and I say, oh my, mumbe share video no because musubu pay Juma ye. Na le ba che impede for na Juma pa ebe ba no ma ye. Na so man share sa video ya. Mun share me video no because NDC ntia. Hey, my brother, youth of Ghana, open Juma o. Fuck MPP da fuck NDC no. We Juma no hwe. America no fuck Democrat and fuck Republican. Me nya me Juma. Yeah, America no obian fa Republican o ma Juma no hwe. Ni sika no hwe America. Eno ano inti my brother, person catch us say usika na so hwe. Juma fuck NDC and fuck MPP. Onipa eso dwen no Ghana. O man na so Ghana na so dwen no. Eno ano men dwen NDC ho, men dwen o man Ghana ho. Eno ano because the Ghana ye ya wosuwa ye o right no. Se Ghana ye ya unye ye. Common sense, simple. We na mu na me catch wa say me ye NDC ni MPP ni my brother. Ni Ghana ni pa na ma body mama be man no. So be so body mama ma Ghana no. Oh, ni ko yenim. Eno ano. Nti o man ye be twa so a short video you said come Chino Jonas your brother do I be no say oh who didn't pay for that temper na hwe ne ye pa na America na bibia free because of bread into the bofu or bread America into say oh say bibia cheap ha and ankofo Ghana say ne busa for Ghana so say oh Chino Jonas say bibia nice for America na oh that say uniska and it the bofu pa Chino Jonas won trouble out dey ba ha Chino Jonas tie nkwase sema me kacho no your brother we or say woman wonya asem Ghana adenya or say ne sisters ne busa for say Chino Jonas say bibia ye good to America no buy no on send sika on ye into Chino Jonas oh trouble all the mama for hey Chino Jonas won't trouble all the mama for Ghana ho because Ghana for say ya wa America ye sika Chino Jonas say bibia free and I am first can be rob until here I don't want Ghana for her or America because of Chino Jonas or see be free. O my enye free o. Oda unim kra hey ebi mu ye tu obi mu o mo da bonten. No ka cho. Ye tu obi mu fifi o. O mo da bonten. Ba sisi an unim New York City say no. Utimi tu obi la because anya ya le no. Amafo ni skanti. O mo say landlord bi ni obetimi tu obi fi ni fie. Utimi tu obi on. It is me say brother Ultimate to ye cock, ye medical course, ye call paperwork, sister, yeah, landlord and say, okay, Oscar news, so say, ultimate to me, brother. It is a or the king.
The family you belong to, what's my home? An adult, a president, for being around for so dinner time. They can't cry more penocre. You can't cry Ghana phone here. Ha! Me say, Ghana phone me say, check the phone video. All because a check the phone didn't have time, a check the phone I know ya. Ha! Ghana phone. Ghana former to Kwan. Some of you are so much shame to yourself. We want to face Ghana. Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called, move from say, judiciary, some law no nyaj mo Ghana. Na mo tia bloche mra na edibu wa blochire. Emra enti wudi dia ho fanto fom. Emra enti wonu so ngugotem. Eda ho kra wutimi ndo so. Wutimi nyo kwate round so. Mama dia dia mo say, "Hey, atem dia na de fisikro." We have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country. No, be able what's a minute in a talk? And Ghana, no, I say we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you some. Yes, you have been in senator. Oh, Papa, president. Now, because you are not the form. Now, I'm at the form. Because you are near Canada. Lower primary school, SL3, and ultimate medical school. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, they can run as your president. Because you are near primary school fees, near primary book. Yes, me book what it near from me. Now, one hour by yesterday. Ghana 40 minutes, ya Obama, Obia, ya Obama. It will honorable. It also Casagana for yet you honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand key, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you were schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? J.J. you cry, Papa. On your moon kwasya kwine. And on quite an amenition. And so Nana Addo, so let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital, healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, Papa, time near the Kabi, and Yakan and Echo Foom, and Yakaya Fro, and Nuna Juma Air Trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yakan and Yafro, Edico School. Nako 4 by ever 2 Papa, and what the buses, metro buses. Eban ye fro ye and a Ghana for ye the body go metro mass and ye say no and to Ghana to Memphis Ghana for no season ye problem Kofoba Fessiano Zinato Papa Edia dear Satam Nuana o Kofoba ye and no ma Kofo ye o Papa went to me and yebi O Christ doesn't count 20 and this cry as I got 20 before near wood the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us.